Hello, this is Monochrom from Vienna, Austria. My name is Evelyn, and we all know that capitalism has the unique ability to subsume all revolution. And that's why we are not quite sure if there is still a subversive spark in subversion. But we won't stop to try. I'm calling Ortsstraße 28 Stockerau now. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
So, Johannes, how is your condition?
We are on a small farm. The environment is hostile. The climate is threatening our health.
But we will continue our mission to prepare fire.
This is full of wind.
We may not forget the sausages.
Awesome.
And the beer.
In June.
Now we have a sufficient supply of half-burned firewood, ash, and leftovers.
Yes, he is right.
Campfire at will.
Now it is time for some guerrilla activities in the cityscape. And now it is your turn, everybody out there. Get some firewood and hack the urban context. In the meantime, bye-bye, everybody.